I'm a Daniel from South Beach, guys. We trade like a sniper. I'm talking about 375% profit on the last 48 hours. That's what we do. We trade like this guy here. We stay higher in the bush, wait for the opportunity. When you see the rapid cross our way, we just shoot because we are hiding in the bush. Trade like a snipers, guys. 370% profit in the last 48 hours. On deal, real death, we made 140%. I made $14,000 this trade, guys. Decentralized Social, Collect, Labs Group, CoinWeb, Polylastic. Guys, I even know what kind of coin is there. And like I mentioned always, we don't care also the price, but we are trading coins cost less than a penny. Like this coin costs 1 cent, this coin have cost less than half cents. That's what we do, guys. We surf this wave. We buy low and sell high. All we gotta do is to watch the volume spike plus buyer power. My software is tracking right now. The volume is spiking. Take a look at the volume on the last hour. $10 million, $3.7 million, almost $1 million, 324,000, 3,859,000. That's how you make money. We make money trade like a volume, guys. Let me show you the first trade in the private list, real death. Like I mentioned before, guys, before the pump, there is a pre-pump. Take a look at this trade, how beautiful it is. I shared this trade in the private list on September 28. We bought this coin for 0.006 and you put a sell order right here at 16. Sorry, 0.016, guys. I made $14,000 this trade. Like I mentioned before this big pump, that is a pre-pump. Take a look at this volume spike right here on September 24. Take a look at this volume spike right here on September 26. All you gotta do is to wait for the buyer power right here. So when the buyer power gets right here, I print screen my monitor and I share in the private list. So private list members can buy this coin and it all makes the same money at the same time, guys. One more thing. Take a look at these charts. That's what we're looking for every single day, 24/7. Price goes flat and pump. Price go flat and pump. All you gotta do is to surf the wave, guys, the wave of the success. I will provide to you the lifetime opportunity, guys. All you gotta do is to feel free to reach me out, tradecryptotime@gmail.com. Also, guys, reach me out because I'm gonna share a free platform with you. You see this platform here is TradingView. The platform I'm gonna share with you is free. When you get the free platform, you already save $600 per year. Now let's talk about Bitcoin, guys. Bitcoin, like I mentioned before, our last call in Bitcoin was to sell Bitcoin right here, $46,000. And I told you yesterday, remember, we got a rejection right here on September 12th, and you just hit here this resistance. Remember the last time when you sold, we hit the resistance many times. So feel free to reach me out, tradecryptotime@gmail.com. Do not buy Bitcoin right now. I will let you know when you should buy and sell Bitcoin. Thanks for your time. Have a blessed day. Bye bye.